So in the master setting set, this is tool number 2. This is the prong pusher. Now this one was designed by my colleague Michael Ellis, extremely talented master goldsmith. And again, this is a tool he's been making for years for himself and for his students to help them set prongs. And it works in a really simple way. Again, tool in the palm of your hand. And you line up your thumb right along with the top. That way, you see that? It fits right in the top, so it's nice and comfortable. That way, when you're pressing in and rolling those prongs up against your stone, you have lots of leverage, you know, and you'll hear me say leverage, 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 leverage about stone setting, but everything really is about leverage because it's about transferring the force from your body through the tool to your piece. That's really the whole issue with setting because you have plenty of strength to do it. It's just about applying that force in this sort of really localized way. And that's what the tool does. It takes the force from your shoulder, that transfers down your arm, through the tool, and then through the end right here, which is why having this fit right in your hand so well is so important for getting that force where you want it to be. So this little shape is really incredible for setting prongs. It's like you'll be amazed how much easier it is. And it's, again, very comfortable to use, which is super important. So just to show you the close-up view, this is tool number 2 in the Master Setting Tool Kit. This is a prong pusher. And it has this nice comfortable handle, of course, like they all do. So what you really do is you grab it, you put it in the palm of your hand, and then you put your thumb right in this little spot right here. You see that? Because that's what you're going to use to take and push the prong up against the stone. This gives you a lot of leverage. Leverage is a word, you know, I talk about a lot when you're stone setting because that's really all that it comes down to. So although you can use this for bezels as well in little tight spots, but it's, which I guess is an off-label use, but its technical purpose is a prong pusher. So you see the top surface is beautiful and flat so you don't slide around. And that's finished to maybe about a 400 finish because you don't want the working end to be super, super shiny because, you know, if it's too shiny, you'll slip around too much. Now you notice the rest of the tool is a high shine because of course I always feel like if my tool inadvertently comes in contact with anything, I definitely don't want to make a mess. You know, the worst comes to worst, it'll leave a little shiny mark. So it's easy to hold. You just put it in the palm of your hand and position your thumb right on top, just like so. And this gives you great maneuverability and great leverage.